Hi guys, has the brush failed on your Hoover? No problem, just watch this video and I'll show you how to change it. Okay, let's begin by removing these 4 screws from the back. Okay, we're going to take the cover off now, so don't forget to take your mobile phone out and take some pictures so you remember in which order it came off. Take the belt off. The brush slides off. Okay. Take the new brush, slide the belt over it, make sure you got it in the right order. Now notice these sections are curved on either side, they match the front. That's the order it goes in. So you put that in, slot it into position, take your belt, stretch it over, put it over the motor. Okay, your new brush is in place. Take the cover, put these clips, clip it on at the front, just push it down, put it into position. Take this, make sure it goes into that slot. Push it into position. Okay, you're done. Wow, that was easy, right? Okay, so what's stopping you? Just get online, go to the manufacturer's website, type in the model number and just do a search. And if you need a brush, type in brush on their catalogue, it will come up. If you need a switch, just put in switch. Whatever you need, just put the part into the search function, click search and it should come up. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, like and subscribe.